This is my road bike. My bike dealer says, it's unbelievable, Jean. There's not even a scratch on your bike. Yeah, it's because I took all the impact from the car. So, hey, but it's still a very good bike. I'm Jean Lebel. I've been treated twice at the Ottawa Hospital, 2016 for a full hip replacement after an accident, sliding from a rooftop, and 2022, a road bike accident where I hit a car face to face. I don't recall anything of this accident. I lost totally memory from half an hour before the accident to 4 days after. When I woke up, I was not fully realizing where I was. And the doctor says to me, you know, you're going to feel better today. It was the nurse that says, you're going to feel better today. And I said, I'll come. Well, you got your arm repair and your collarbone yesterday. I said, I didn't get repair yesterday. Yeah, you were in the OR and they put metal plate and you know, you're all okay. And I said, really? And he says, I'll show you, because I had a collar at the time, you know, and I couldn't move my spine. So he put the mirror in my face and I saw myself with bruises, blue and yellow. I had concussion with the spinal fracture that was treated conservatively, with my arm got fixed with metal plates, my collarbones with metal plate, scapula conservatively, my ribs, you know, I still sneeze or cough and I think that I'm gonna throw some bones, but you know, that's just the nature of it. I had 9 ribs that were broken. But you know, all of this, considering the gravity of the accident, is a miracle that I'm still standing on my feet and I can still, you know, ride my bike. I'm doing it carefully, but I can still do it. This one I was doing a wheelie with the Mustang bike of my brother, you know, and he took the picture. So that's me in '74, and this one is my first road bike, '76, year of the Olympic. So let's go in the garage to see the cycling cave. Look, it's a bicycle. It's all for my bike and my carpentry that I like to do. Sorry, it's a garage. Me and my wife train over here. So this is our road bike, put on a cyclometer, a Wahoo and a tax, and riding on the TV screen, you know, connected to the road bike. So I'm riding in Spain, so don't have to be on the road with the cars. This accident could have ended my life. It did not, because of the care I got, even if I was not conscious. You know, they took care of me and they saved me. And now, you know, it's been over 3 years. I have my brain. Yes, I have some sequela. You know, my shoulder is a little bit stiffer, but you know, it's nothing. I lost a bit of grip in my hand. It's nothing. It's nothing. When you're confronted to trauma like me, you want to get the best care. And yes, the government is there, but the extra sometimes comes from the generosity of people, and I'm just a small, you know, donator. And it's all those individual giving that makes, you know, the sum grow and improve the life and livelihood of people like you, but like me, that had to go through the hardship of an accident.